Hey, how's it going, guys? So, this episode, we're gonna have Jaden, my son, in this because the wife is out using the car and the twins are down for their nap. And yeah, I don't trust this little dude by himself downstairs. It'll be chaos. All right, so this is basically gonna be an episode of Profits. You want to read off the Profits, man?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. One sec here. So I'm gonna pull up. Okay, the community has been savage in the past 24 hours. So we got Faint with 102% gains, 25x leverage, 100% gains. We're going to have to go through this pretty quickly, or else it's going to be the entire episode of just profits. Yeah, short Solana, 100% gains. Bitcoin, 26% gains. Cardano, 65% gains from Rando. Thomas, 36% gains. Milk, 25% gains. Ari, 40% gains with Adam Short. Yeah, Faint did murder it. Stevan, 26% gains. Scrolling down through the. There we go. And Guinea, believe you. Yep, this one's new. I believe this is your first time posting in here. Congratulations, man. 55% gains. Bitcoin shorts, another 51% gains. Ari, 72%, 60%, 32%. Stefanos, first take profit of 105%. Faint, again, 164%. Ari, again, 109%, 82%, 61, 20, 104% from Faint. Again, Stefanos, 861% using a savage amount of leverage, though. So that's basically it's about 7% move. Gained almost 9x. That's intense. ZTG, 18%. Congrats, man. Raymond, 78%. Milk, 74%. Oh, guys. So, yeah, I'm just going to scroll a little bit slower. I don't want to, Denost, look at you go with all these trades. I'm just going to keep scrolling. Shen, 123%. Kanzi, 90%. Myself, 15%. Yeah, Stefanos with more. 100%. Milk, 84%. All right, you guys crushed it. Honestly, this was an insane past 24 hours. I gotta understand the prediction that we made, which is so easy. But yeah, let's dive into it. There's one thing, guys, I want you to prepare for just in case. And yeah, we'll see you on the inside.
And channel.
Yeah, you want to tell him? All right, you can tell him.
Subscribe on the channel, yo.
Yeah, you subscribe on the channel, yo. All right, cool. So we just broke out of this. We were talking about this for a while now. We knew we were going to break to the downside, and we are. And now we are looking at this uptrend level support that we were talking about before. So we could have a bounce here, and from here we'll see a bullish formation that we can trade off of, and maybe we can close our short a little bit earlier. However, if we break below this, and we use this uptrend level of support as resistance, then we can stay in our short and try to capitalize more gains and move our stop loss further into the profit zone just above this this wick right here. But it all depends on the there might be more price structure that could bring us down lower. But basically, if we break below this, move your stop loss just below the most recent swing high around this consolidation point. Yeah, look at you go, man. Right. So for now, there's nothing really to look at other than a potential forming double bottom. What we have to see what happens on the hourly chart. Maybe we'll see a pump here in the next hourly candle, and then we have to look at this neckline for the potential level of resistance that we need to see it break. And if it breaks that level of resistance and use it as support, then it could be a good time to close the short a little bit early, or at least move your stop loss further into the profit zone. But yeah, there's not really that much need to report on. We're getting close to the weekend, guys, so basically weekend trading volumes coming in. So prepare for that. But yeah, that's everything I got for you guys. But if we end up breaking down below this, we could see the price action go all the way down to 20,000 again. So just prepare for that mentally. For those who might be in a long position, I'm sorry if you're in one. But yeah, we've been screaming short for a while now, and it's finally here. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this, you can reach out to me in the Discord. I'll do my best to reply to all of my messages. Have yourself an amazing day. Want to say goodbye, buddy?
Goodbye. This one is Bitcoin, but I'm gonna say goodbye.
All right, cool. And if you guys subscribe and comment, you automatically get enrolled in the little lottery system to get a free course as well. And we announce the next winner on Monday. So subscribe and comment, and you'll likely get a chance to win. We have a small subscriber base, so the win rate is actually the odds are pretty good. All right, cool guys. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, you want to say one more thing?
Goodbye, but subscribe on this channel.
All right. See you guys.